In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your store name on Shopify. This is a really simple process, but it can feel a bit hidden if you're not used to the Shopify admin, so I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll be able to update your store name with confidence. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in, with your orders, products, and other options on the left-hand side. Once you're on this dashboard, look all the way down to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. When you click Settings, Shopify will open a new page that contains all of your store's configuration options. By default, it usually lands you on the General or Store Details area, which is exactly where we want to be for this change. At the top of this page, you'll see a section or card labeled Store Details. Inside this section, you'll see your current store name, along with other information like your store email and store phone. This is the area where Shopify keeps your basic business identity details. Now, move your mouse cursor over the part that shows your store name. As you hover over it, a small pencil icon should appear on the right side. That pencil icon is the universal edit button in Shopify. Click on that pencil icon to open the editor. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see your current store name displayed, and directly below it there will be a text field where you can type. Click inside that text field, delete or edit the existing name, and then type in the new store name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization, since this is often how customers will see your brand inside Shopify and on some internal communications. Once you're happy with the new name, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up. You'll see a Save button there. Click Save to confirm your changes. The pop-up will close and your updated store name will now appear under the Store Details section. That's all you need to do to change your store name on Shopify.